the final encounter of the most celebrated and the most popular all-time box office horror series by the masters of horror. Shake, rattle, and roll. Apat na, di pa sapat. Ang Guro, Edu Manzano, Nida Blanca, Sunshine Cruz, Aljon Jimenez, and Manilene Reynes. Beware of dashing and debonair male teachers like this one.
Huwag niyong pababayaan ang pag-aaral ninyo, ha? Especially my class.
A real kolehiyala killer.
Baka akala mo, hindi ko alam na patay ka kay Mr. Cerudo.
Bumalik ka na nga doon! Sir?
From crush ko si Sir to a bride of a monster. Bahay. Janice de Belen, Altantay, and Aiza Ziguera. I think you shall never see a poem as lovely as a tree when monsters dwell on top. They kill dogs. They take away babies.
Huwag kang maingay. Hindi ba sinabi mo sa akin? Ngayon kumuha sa alaga ko, dito umakyat? Opo. Umakyat! Nikki! Sheila!
Ang madre. Sister, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, shall I die? Yes, my darling. You shall die.
Siyang manananggalakit ako.
Tumigil ka, ha? Kung ano-ano kalokohan yung pumapasok sa isip mo, pati si sister pinagbibintangan mo. What happens to you on the 4th? Shake, rattle, and roll. Directed by Peggy Galiaga and Lorenzo Reyes for Regal Films.